Hello, my name is Stephen Brown. I'm a partner at Reddy Neumann PC here in Houston, Texas. There are many different types of non-immigrant visas. One of those non-immigrant visas is an L1 visa. An L1 visa is an employer-specific, employment-authorized non-immigrant visa available for foreign nationals employed abroad who seek admission to transfer their employment to the United States in order to work for a qualifying U.S. employer. There are two types of L1 visas, L1A for those in a managerial or executive capacity, and L1B for those that are in a specialized knowledge capacity. A qualifying organization for L1 purposes is a U.S. or foreign business that is a parent, branch, affiliate, or subsidiary that is doing business both in the U.S. and at least one other country. Note, there are special provisions for a foreign entity that is coming to the U.S. to establish a business called a new office L1. In order to obtain an L1 visa, an employer will file an I-129 with USCIS, show that the U.S. and foreign entity have the necessary qualifying relationship, that the employee has performed duties as either a manager or executive for L1A, or worked in a specialized knowledge capacity for L1B, both overseas, and that the job that they will be doing in the United States is also managerial or executive or in a specialized knowledge capacity. Please note, the employee must have worked for the foreign entity for at least 1 year within the last 3 years in order to qualify for an L1. Once approved, the individual can go for L1 visa stamping at their consulate of choice. There are special provisions in the L1 program called an L1 blanket for entities that have at least 3 entities and have a U.S. workforce of over 1,000 employees, have over 25 million sales at their U.S. operations, or has obtained 10 L1 visas in the last year. One of those 3 provisions must be met. This allows more flexibility as the employee can apply directly at the U.S. consulate without having to apply for an I-129 with USCIS. L1 status is generally approved for an initial period of 3 years, unless the company is filing a new office L, in which case it'll only be 1 year. L1A status can be extended up to the statutory limit of 7 years, and an L1B up to the statutory limit of 5 years. The spouses and unmarried children under 21 of L1 visa holders can come to the United States and are entitled to L2 visa status. L2 spouses are authorized to work in the United States. If you or your company are interested in L1 visas, please don't hesitate to contact any of our firm's attorneys or contact us at info@reddynewmanpc.com. We look forward to working with you.